Hello everyone, I'll show you how to model this bed in 3D Max. Let's start with the headboard. First, I will draw a box, and this box will be 100, 240, and 20. Now I will give it some segments, and these segments will be 20. I'll try to make the corners here almost square to have semicircular curve when I add turbo smooth. And here 45. You can see that it is becoming square, and also here I will divide it into 3 segments. Now I will add turbo smooth. You can see how this corner is smooth. Now I need to give it some curvy sides, and also from the top I want to curve it a little more. So I will use here cloth modifier. I will add cloth. I will make sure that this gravity is off as well, and I will click on object properties. In object properties, I will select this box. The type is cloth, and the preset is cotton, and the pressure number 5. Now I will use from the simulation type simulate, because I can control the effect with the time slider. I will click on simulate. Now it starts to grow in size. You can press here cancel, or wait until it reach the 100 frame. It will remain simulating up until a 100 frame. Now I can stop it from now because I need only little effect of this modifier. I will press on cancel. Now I will move this time slider backward. Okay, frame number 3 is good. Also two also is good. So I will choose number 2, and this is good. So I have some curvy top and also some curvy sides. So I will go now to the modifier list, and I need here to collapse this cloth modifier. Why? If I make a copy of this object now, I will see that cloth doesn't have any effect on the object, even if it is still there. So to keep the status of the object as it is, I need to right-click and convert to edit poly. Now for the piping, I need to select here one loop, horizontal loop, so it will run all the way up to the sides. And then I will add this one, the vertical piping. Press Ctrl to add to the selection and double click here. Now I will remove this top part so it will not overlap with this pipe or the horizontal piping. I will use Alt and remove this segment. Also the bottom part, I will double click this loop. I will remove this small segment with Alt. Now I will go to this side. Also I will double click here, remove this segment, and also remove this segment. Now I have the other side. I will double click here and remove this part, and remove this part with Alt, and also the other side. Double click, use Alt, and now use Alt. Now once they are all selected, press create shape from selection. Now I will select this SP line, go to modifier list. You click on enable in renderer, enable in viewport, and make the radial thickness 1. Now this is my piping. And then I will go to the geometry and click attach and select this piping over here. Now it become one object. So I can now go to the top view and make a copy to the other side. Press shift, drag a copy down. Now I will use FFD 4x4x4. I will open this modifier, select the control points on this side, and I will move them in the x-axis -40. Okay. Now I will just rotate it like this, 90 degrees, and I will move it in this direction. Now I will start with the bed box. I will draw a box, and this box will represent the mattress. It is 130, the width 200, and the height 35. Now I will need from this mattress only to take this side and this side, okay? And I will give it also the same segment. I will not change the segment, just the same one I used for the headboard. But I will check now. I will isolate and check now this length segment. The length segment, I need it also to be square, so I will get semicircular corners when I add Turbo Smooth. So I need here to increase this height segments to 10. I'll make it 8. Yeah, this is good. And now I can detach these two sides. I will add here edit poly, and now I will select these polygons by the use of by angle. By angle allows me to click on one side, okay, and all these polygons are selected at once. Now I will press Ctrl and click on the other side. Now also these are selected. I will go to Edit Geometry and click on Detach. Now I'll go to the top view, unhide all. This box, I don't need it anymore. I will just delete. And these sides here, I will add a shell modifier to them. So I will extrude it outward 20 something. I will add here shell modifier, give the amount 20, okay, and the segments 3. You can see now I have 3 segments on the top side, like the headboard. So when I add Turbo Smooth, I will have smooth, small corners over here. And also, I need to use one option here, which is straighten corners. So now I will add Turbo Smooth, and I can see that I have nice corners over here and here and here as well. I can increase the iteration. It looks very good. But my angle here is straight, almost, with a small groove on the top. So I need to support this corner over here. I will close Turbo Smooth, add Edit Poly, and I will select this edge by double click, and I need to chamfer. I will go to Edit Edges, Chamfer. I will give it a chamfer 1 something. Now to have this tiny groove over here, I will select this loop by double click, and I will extrude minus 0.5 and the amount 0.5. It will be very minor groove over here. Now I will turn Turbo Smooth. So now I supported my corner here to be straight, like in the picture, and also I have a small groove over here. Now I will move it downward. I'll show you this side. So here I need to add a cloth modifier as well to curve a little bit the top and the sides. Now I will add cloth modifier, and I will open the object property, make this object cloth, and then cotton, pressure 5, and press OK. Now I will click on simulate, this one, so I can control the effect by the time slider. I will click on simulate. Now it starts to curve and become more like a cushion. So I will press cancel because I don't need very big effect here. I need to reduce the amount on the slider, frame number 2, like in the headboard. Now I need to collapse the cloth modifier by right click on the object and convert to Edit Poly. Now I can start with the piping. I need here to double click this loop, so my piping will run horizontally to the sides, and also the bottom part I will double click here, and then for the vertical loops double click, but you need to use Alt to remove this part over here and also over here, so it will not overlap with the horizontal piping. Also here, double click and remove this part using Alt, remove using Alt. Now I will go to the other side, double click, use Alt to remove this segment and this segment, and also this side, double click, then use Alt to remove this segment and this segment. Now you can press create shape from selection. I need now just to select this box and attach with this piping. Now they become one object. Go to the top view, unhide all, and this is how it looks. Now I will go to the top view, and this is how it looks. And here is the bed after I added the pillows, the mattress, and materials.